জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
What? Both of them have gone out.
Yes, sir, both of them. They went back to back.
What is it? Who has gone out?
No, Mom. I mean, I came to take the car out and saw that both Deepu's
Okay.
and Jeet's cars are gone. What must have happened, Mom? I mean, both of them have gone out, but in different cars.
Tripto has gone out in the car. And your uncle and grandma are also looking tensed. Uncle! What's the matter? Is anything wrong?
No, nothing is wrong. Actually, we are going to the temple. Let's go, Tapo. It's getting late. Come on.
No. Uncle was saying that Tripto went out in the car. Where did Tripto go so early in the morning?
Yes, I'm also thinking the same. Deepu should not have gone out today early in this morning. And where did Jeet go? I don't understand.
Oh no. He is blurting out everything in front of him. Tapo, let's go. It's getting late.
Yes. Jayant, we should leave. Come, Mom. Let's go.
Come.
Come, Mom. Come.
Jasmine! Where is Nayan?
Thank you. You may leave now. I'll do the rest. What happened? Why did you rush in to ask about Nayan like this?
Answer my question. Do you know where Nayan is?
No, I don't. Neither do I want to know. I don't want to see her face anymore.
Is there anybody here? Listen, please.
Yes, sir.
Call Nayan and tell her Jasmine wants to meet her.
I haven't seen Nayan for a while.
What do you mean?
Ma'am, all the other servants have gone with madams to bring the water. Only I am at home. Nayan was with me, but now I can't find her.
All right, you may leave now. Did you hear that? Nayan is not at home. And not just Nayan, but Tripto and his brother Jeet. Both are not at home. Jasmine, do you remember where Nayan had gone with Jeet earlier?
To Sudha's father.
Exactly. I don't understand. Did Nayan go to meet Sudha's father again?
Oh my lord. That means Nayan took Dripto along this time. Does that mean Nayan told Dripto everything? That's why Dripto also ran with Nayan to bring evidence. I can see my plan is getting shattered in front of my eyes, Jayanta. No, this can't happen. I can't let this happen, Jayanta. Please do something. You have to do something, brother. My wedding just can't break at this moment. It just can't.
What's wrong with you? You're worried about the wedding. There is a bigger trouble awaiting us than the cancellation of the wedding. Do you realize what will happen if everything is revealed? Both of us will go to jail.
Okay, listen. Whether Tarun Karmakar got the report or if he did, what the report says, we don't know anything at all. So whatever arrangement we make, it has to be done safely. We just can't let them reach to Tarun Karmakar at all. Jayanta, brother, please do something. Please think of a way. Jayanta, please do something.
Stop
please.
it. I'm thinking, wait. Let me figure out a way. I don't understand what to do.
Hey, whom are you calling? Whom are you calling?
Hello.
Dad, this is Jayant speaking.
Jayant? You are calling so early in the morning? What's the matter? Is everything all right?
No, Dad. Nothing is all right. Believe me, Dad. Nothing is all right. Suddenly, I got a phone call. I don't know who was it. They only said that they're calling from Kashiganj.
Whose call? Huh? And for what?
I don't know, Dad. I don't know. The man just said that he knew who wanted to kill Dripto.
What are you saying, son? And he called you?
Yes, Dad. After listening to that, I'm shaking in fear. And he told me to meet him near the old rail yard at Kashiganj in the evening. And he will tell me everything there. Now you tell me, Dad, is it possible to relax after listening to all this? So I've decided to leave for Kashiganj right now. Will you please come with me, Dad?
No. You won't go anywhere, Jayant. I'll go to Kashiganj alone.
No, Dad. How is that possible? I don't know whether the person is good or evil. How can I let you go alone? No, it's not possible.
Since we don't know how he is, I'm telling you, son, that I'll go alone. I won't let my children get in trouble anymore. Jayant, you don't worry at all. I'll handle this alone. I'll face that man myself. Hey, look. Kashiganj is quite far. It's a 5-hour-long journey. It'll be night by the time I return. I'll let you know everything at night.
But Dad...
No ifs and buts. Jayant, as I said, you will not go. And listen, don't tell Dripto's family about it now, okay?
All right. Do what you think is best for us. By the way, Dad, are you leaving right now?
Yes, I need to start right now. I don't have much time in hand.
Brilliant plan, brother. Bravo. Now we have to stop Dripto and Nayan from meeting Tarun Karmakar. Sudha's father needs to leave home before they reach to him. That's it.
Jeet, how long will it take to get there?
We are almost there. But Nayan, do you have Mr. Karmarkar's number?
No, Jeet. Actually, I'm not used to phones, so I never asked for his number.
Oh lord. It would have been better if we had his number. We could have informed him about our visit.
Don't worry, Nan. I won't let anything happen to Tripto. You saved my life, Nan. You've given me a new life. This is the least I can do for you. I'll come back only after finding out who wants to kill Tripto.
The policeman is not at home. What should I do now? Where will I get the evidence from? Oh, Lourdes, why are you putting me to the test, Lourdes? All my hopes are lost, Lourdes. All my hopes are lost. Jeet, the policeman's house is locked. Does that mean I won't be able to save Sir from being harmed? But it will be a disaster if this wedding takes place.
Nan, please. It's almost time for mom and others to return. I'm worried if she doesn't seize you after returning home, it will be outrageous.
Go and keep them carefully. Be careful, okay?
Oh my lord. What disgusting humid weather here. That's why they said that our states is literally heaven. I'm so tired. Hey, who is there? Bring me a cup of tea.
Well, they just came back tired, right? Shall I ask Nayan to make the tea?
Yes, that's better. Ask her to make it.
Nayan? Nayan! Oh, why am I calling Nayan? I forgot that she's not at home. She has gone out.
She has gone? What do you mean? What are you saying? What do you mean by she has gone out?
Yes, Aunt Durba. One of our maidservants told me that she has gone out.
What do you mean? Durba told her to stay at home and she went out without informing anyone. How dare she?
What happened, Mrs. Basu? Who went out?
Who else? Nayan. A housemaid suddenly went out without taking permission from anyone. What is happening here? Can you imagine this?
Yes, that's true. But where did Nayan go? I saw uncle taking grandma to the temple. They said Jeet and Tripto are also not at home.
Okay. That means Tripto and Nayan have gone for a long drive. But why is Jeet coming in between that? I don't like it.
Hey, what are you thinking?
I'm afraid, Durba. What if Rangana is saying the truth? Where did Deepu and Nayan go? Why did you put me in such trouble, Lourdes? What do I do now?
Nayan, please don't keep standing like this. Come on, we need to get back. Look, we couldn't do the job we came here for. If we get back on time, at least the turmoil can be avoided. Come on, please get in the car. Let's go.
I'm feeling so scared. Where did Nayan take Dripto early? That too on the day of wedding. I don't trust this girl at all. She can do anything. Please, you have to do something, please.
Don't you worry so much, Jasmine. We all are here. Sanjukta, please call Deepu right now.
He is not answering the call. I don't understand what's happening. I feel so scared. I can't take it. Where did Deepu go?
Did you find out if Tarun Karmakar had left before Nayan reached there?
I called him a moment before. Confirmed news. He's left.
Thank Lord. We can relax for at least few hours that they are not going to meet Sudha's father. And from the way he spoke to you, it didn't seem like he suspected you. Am I right, brother? Correct?
You're right. You're absolutely right.
Yes, but what next? What next? When he reaches Kashiganj, he'll come to know that no one is there. Then what? Then he will come back. And he will return with the...
He won't return.
What do you mean?
It's very simple, Jasmine. I will not let him return.
Great.
Oh, Lourdes. How did Tripto arrive here? What will happen now, Lourdes? What will happen?
Tell me something, did I scare you? It's evident on your face that you are scared. But do you know when people get scared? When they are hiding something. Why have you come here so early in the morning, man? I'm asking you something, Nayan. Come on, speak up. Today you have to tell me. What have you been hiding from me for so long? Tell me. I have to know today what secret you're keeping from me. Tell me, Nayan.
Look, Dripto, there is nothing to hide. There is no secret at all. Actually,
Please, Jeet. You better not say anything. You might cook up a story again to save this woman. And I very well know that you can hide things from me in order to save Nayan.